Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to disable vibration in Stories notifications on Telegram. If you're tired of being interrupted by constant vibrations every time you receive a new notification, then this video is for you. To begin, open Telegram on your Android device. Simply tap the three lines at the top left corner of the screen to access the menu. From there, tap on Settings to proceed to the next step. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Notification and Sounds to customize your notification settings. Under Notification for Chat, tap on Reactions to access more options. From there, tap on More Options, and then select Vibrate. To disable the vibration for Stories notifications, simply choose the option to Disable. This will ensure that you no longer receive vibrations every time a new story notification comes in. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily customize your notification settings on Telegram and disable vibrations for Stories notifications. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.